Good morning everybody. I'm in a place called Malcesine. It's just Lake Garda is literally to the left of me. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go for a walk around the city. Just a little bit of talking, not a lot. Yeah, let's just go for a walk around Malcesine. This is the April, so it's not boiling today. It's the Friday the 5th of April. It's my son's wedding. That's why we're here. I'll head to the castle where they're getting married. It's getting married in a few hours, so let's go for a walk around, shall we? Take a look at Malcesine, just next to Lake Garda in Italy. This is the place. It's very, very quiet. And the time is, did I say the time? The time is 9:15 a.m. Just come down the stairs. Just on the edge there. Beautiful view from here. Let's go down. Look at that. So peaceful. Right, we'll come back up the stairs now. Let's carry on. We'll walk back this way and I'll turn it back on when we get to a new street. We'll go back to the castle. So this is the castle. The entrance will be coming in later. Just down there. Castello di Malcesine. Malcesine. Yeah, it's where my son's getting married later. We'll just come for a walk. It's a bit hilly, but it's okay. The tour group's caught up when we're there. Right, we'll head back down and we'll go show the harbour and all the other streets, see if anything's open, shall we? Right, let's go. We'll see more stuff's opening up. The time now is 9:35. Oh wow, look at that. If you're looking for a sign, this is where you want to be. Yeah, like I say, everything is priced in euros. We'll go down here, as we came from the left when we came up. Oh, I can smell pizza. See, just through there, there's Lake Garda. The sun's coming out as well. Yeah, if you come this time of year, make sure you fetch your little jacket. How do I go, left or right? Left, I think. Left. How do I go right? Go right. Let's come back up, can't we? Let's back to the waterfront. Shall we go have a look? Yeah, let's go have a look. I've not been down here, so might as well. And we'll come back up and I'll stop the video and start when we get to the top. I've been to Venice for many, many years. Probably 30 odd years. But it's a little bit like that. A little bit maybe. You forget people just live normal lives here. Yeah, we went out for a meal last night and we had pizzas and lasagnas and it was really, really nice. It's about €5 a beer, which is about right. They could charge more probably, to be honest. Hey, I think we came down. Yeah, we came down here last night. Huh? I remember standing on that pier. Oh no, maybe it was another pier. I can't remember seeing that statue. That's my phone. I can't remember seeing that. And there's big tortoise there. There is QR codes. What does it say? Zulu. Yeah, no, this isn't where we was last night, but there is, you know what I mean? It could have been that one. They're all the same, really. Just stick out. Look at that. What a beautiful day. The weather is so nice. 18, 19, 20 degrees in April. Just before peak season. That's where we was, just round that corner. See the paraglider? lots of paragliding off the mountains. Yeah, I haven't said behind all these buildings is mountains, and we're off up the cable cars today, so I'll make a separate video on that. Off up there for some wedding photos. Look at that, beautiful. The boat tour started. I'll show you all them in the harbour. Water looks a lot calmer today. Right, we'll go back up there and we'll turn the other way. Let's go. Right, we're back up. Instead of going right, let's go left. Yeah, more and more shops opening. A lot of these streets, it's the first time I've been down, so. Shoot off left, where's that going? Yeah, that's going down to that dead end there, isn't it? And that's the way we just was. Let's go down here. Is this a dead end? Yeah, it's a dead end. Came back the other way. Probably down here then, eh? €7 for a sandwich. Or a crepe. Oh, I need to get a razor. Oh man, yeah. I just remembered I need a razor.
La vetrina hai visto? Che bella!
Shall I go sit in here and have a coffee and a croissant? I think I will do, you know. I'll sit outside there, yeah, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? To do them. Oh yeah, they do. They do. So they did no coffee there, but I got a croissant. €2. Look at that, baby. Right, breakfast time and a coffee later. And then we'll carry on down there. We'll head back down them. You can see more shops opening now. Our hotel faces right onto the lake, our room. It's an unbelievable hotel. It's an apartment actually, it's not a hotel, it's an apartment. Yeah, look out for that video. Great value, there's 4 of us in there. There's me, my mum, my nephew and my niece, so sleeps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. So there's loads of room. It's really impressed with it. It's behind that Alpino hotel, or in front of it, sorry, it's a white building next to it. So yeah, really look out for that video if you're coming, I highly recommend it. You can see how busy it is now. One thing I will say, my mum's in a wheelchair. She can walk, but she can't walk big distances. So the route up to the castle is cobbled. So it is a bit bumpy for her. She can walk a bit of it, but if you're just in a wheelchair and you can't walk, then the route to the castle could be a bit bumpy. In fact, it could be very bumpy. Right, we'll walk round. So straight through there and you're at the lake. Straight down here, this is where we got dropped off in our taxi van, minivan, right there. because our hotel is down that street. So yeah, we got dropped off right there. And this is where we get picked up from. We paid £190 each between another couple who were there, and then there's 4 of us, so we just split the bill in half. 380 quid, so 190 each way. There's the lake. Our hotel is literally that white building there. Our apartment is that white building, and our room faces right into the lake. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to walk around and go into the lake from the other side. So this is the main area. Not sure what that building is, but Municipal. That's where we just walked all the way over there. That's where the cable carries up there. There's your price of ice cream. That's not bad really. That's not bad at all. 4 scoops for £5.50, so it's about a £5. Oh, there's a church there. You can see the first time I've seen that. Huh. Yeah, so if you're out in the morning or late at night, you go for a meal. It's not, can't be out late at night, nothing's open, but just take a jacket with you. Just about ready to take this jacket off, to be honest. But I'm nearly back. Look at the houses. That's amazing, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. Just, you don't forget when you come to places like this for weddings or holidays, it's people live here. It's not full of tourists. Yeah, we're only here for 2 days. We flew in, what day is it? It's Friday today. We flew in Thursday morning, spent yesterday here all day today, Friday for the wedding, and then we fly home tomorrow morning. We had to go down, we live in the north of England, we had to go down to Gatwick to get the flights. Spent a night at a Premier Inn in Gatwick, very nice. Yeah, when my son said he was getting married, everyone's happy obviously, and then he said they're off to Italy, and everyone's like, Italy? And now, yeah, I don't know, a year and a half later we're here, and what a great decision. So we'll turn right here at, what does that say, Risto Pizza Capri, Hotel Vega. Yeah, we'll go down there. Yeah, we only walked down here at night, so these shops weren't open last night. Another hotel that'll give you Lake Garda views if you're on the other side. See it peeking through. So we actually had dessert around here last night. This was one of the restaurants that was open. This one was open, but we didn't go here. We went to this one on the left, and it was alright. It was pretty good. A couple of people ordered what they thought was creme brulee, but it was their version of it, and they weren't too keen on that. But yeah, we went in there. Not sure what main meals are like. My family's actually down here now having a drink. So we'll see. This was open as well. That restaurant down here was open, we didn't go there though. That one was open. They didn't do dessert, so we didn't go in there. Because we had a main meal. I'll show you where we had the main meal, and I'll show you. That's where we went for dessert, the one earlier. I think my family's down here now, actually having a cup of tea, so I'll just leave my drink. Oh, that one's open. Look, that gelato's open. We had a meal here yesterday, and a few drinks. Really good. And here's the little harbour place where you get all your, you can rent the boats and go on boat trips.
giorno devo fare due cose.
9 to Limone. I think that's a little island out there somewhere.